In the cradle of the Himalayas, where the sky meets the earth and the spirits dance, lies a realm of boundless enchantment, beckoning you to surrender to its mystical charm. As you wander through this wonderland, the allure of its enigmatic nature will consume you, pulling you deeper into its embrace. Welcome to Sikkim. Sikkim offers a panoramic view of the snow-clad mountain peaks, including the mighty Mount Kanchenjunga. It is also world-renowned for its richness of flora and fauna, and is touted to be a biodiversity hotspot. It is the home to heavenly hued, vibrant orchids, and the rare Sikkim's queen, which is also the state flower. Here, you will find the elusive snow leopards, the Himalayan black bear, musk deer, and the yaks grazing the lush green meadows. The sight of the adorable red panda perched amidst the lush green forests of Sikkim is a true feast for the eyes. Sikkim is more than a destination. It is a journey to the very heart of your soul. It is the land of kings and monarchs, a place where the winds carry the month chants, and the whirring prairies weave a spell of wonder that will leave you spellbound. The natives of Sikkim are rooted deep in their culture and traditions. The Lepchas, the Nepalis, and the Bhutias. They have preserved their unique customs, traditions, and rituals in harmony, contributing to Sikkim's rich cultural tapestry. The rich legacy manifests itself in an explosion of color and vibrancy as a testament to the state's rich cultural heritage. The dance forms of Sikkim are a sight to behold. The various ritualistic charm or mass dances are performed by the Buddhist monks in their monasteries, imitating the graceful movements of birds and animals. The dance forms of Sikkim celebrate life and its many wonders. They are performed during various festivals like Losar, Pang Lavsol, and Saga Dawa. Tourists throng here to witness the soaring peaks, the icy deserts, rolling green mountains, frozen lakes, and azure rivers, which cast a magical spell. Places like Harbhajan Baba Mandir, the crystal clear waters of the famous Songmo Lake, the most crucial pass on the crossroads of the India-China border, the Nathula Pass located on the old Silk Route, and the pristine, icy waters of the revered Guru Dongmar Lake attract tourists from around the world. For those bitten by the adventure bug, you will find a wide array of activities. From expeditions to picturesque treks, one can witness nature in its abundant glory. Here, you will find yourself in communion with your spiritual side. Whether it be the ringing of bells at the temples like the Hanuman Talk, or the Char Dham Mandir at Namchi, or the calming peace and tranquility you will find at various monasteries. Places like The Dom Dhul Chortan offers an opportunity to be one with self,